Do you need a logo for your brand and do you want it cheap and quick? I'm pretty sure you have heard of Fiverr.com, but I still couldn't believe that it's so easy, so cheap, and so high quality. So let me tell you my experience and how I got from nothing to this. This is the logo design that my designer that I've chosen on Fiverr put together in 48 hours, not even 48 hours, for less than $50. I'm not a designer, so I only had rough idea of what I want and how I want my logo to look like. So I did a little sketch, right? And I thought, okay, that's pretty much it. I went on Fiverr and then searched logo design. And then you have a lot of categories and different types of designers focusing on different types of logos. Some of them focus on more on military, sports, corporate, cartoon, and so on. So whatever you like or whatever is your vision, you go and choose the specific one, and then it's about the price. You find a design that you like and designer, and then you see whether the price falls into your budget. Then you can choose different packages. So you have basic, standard, and premium. And basic, I would really not recommend doing the basic. I know it's the cheapest option. It's usually between like 24 to like 35 pounds or dollars. However, you only receive usually JPEG or PNG files, and you don't get the source files. And this is really important for the future. This is your investment into the logo. You need source files. Even if you don't know how to use Photoshop or Illustrator, you do need source files for your future designer or somebody who can actually help you change anything about the logo. You cannot do it with JPEG or PNG. So make sure you get at least standard package, which is usually double of the price of basic package. And then you have 48 hours delivery, couple of revisions, 3 or 5 revisions. And then you get all the vector graphics, you get JPEGs, you get PNGs, but you also get source files, which usually is Illustrator. If you want to step it up, you can go premium. You're going to get a lot of information as well, kind of like a design manual too. Personally, I didn't really need that option, so I just did and go with standard, and that's it. Once you click continue, you have a couple of extra options that you can go for. So special services, do you want extra super fast delivery, or do you want more revisions for a specific price, and so on. I didn't really go for that, but it's up to you. After that, all you do is fill the description, and basically, even if you don't have any idea of how the design should look like, because I had a sketch, right? You can, if you have some idea, just do a really horrible sketch. It doesn't matter. This was my sketch and it's not good at all. But it's kind of like, what I was going for, and it doesn't matter how it looks like because the person on the other end is the designer. So they make sure that you get there. And I just kind of said like, oh, can you just try like yellow and black and maybe like purple versions and something like that. Let's see how it fits. I said it needs a couple of elements. So I wasn't sure. And can you put like maybe a stars on the other side? Yeah, that was pretty much it. And then I sent JPEG and a screenshot of that sketch as a JPEG. So there was an attachment, and you can send attachments of actual images from Google if you say like, oh, I want something like this, or you do the sketch, take a picture with your phone and then attach it and send it. And literally within a day and a half, I got back a mock-up of the logo, which I completely loved. And of course I had to think about it. I decided to change, basically just got rid of some elements at the side. I didn't really want any changes on top of that. So I got back to him on Fiverr. Then you get into the message mode once you pay. So you're in direct contact with your designer. And I messaged him like, I want to change this and that's it. And are you going to send me the source files? And he said, yes, just, give me a couple of hours. I'm pretty sure that he was very busy. So another half a day I was waiting for the source files, and he sent me everything through the messages. There was no outside communication. I downloaded all the files, went into Illustrator, got all the codes for the colors, kind of created my own design manual. I just went and straight immediately, I decided to do my merch, and I did some t-shirts, some hats, some hoodies. Couldn't be happier. Honestly, this literally cost me under £50, and I cannot comprehend how happy I am with the service. I will also do the video how to create a merch. If it's done, it's already here. If it's not, subscribe to my channel to know how to get this done very cheap and very effectively and basically super simple. But you need to make sure you find a really good vendor that has high quality clothes and not some rubbish. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by Fiverr.com, but it should be. Damn. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about Fiverr.com or anything that I just mentioned in this video, please comment below. I will get to you. I will answer all the questions. And thank you for watching, and do subscribe for more.